Skills. 3. Listen to a man talking about social customs in France and Britain. Choose the most appropriate answer A, B, or C to each question.
Review 2. Page 69. Listening. Activity 3. Listen to a man talking about social customs in France and Britain. Choose the most appropriate answer, A, B, or C, to each question.
After living in France for a few months, I realised that I really should stop trying to be so polite all the time. The French seem to find it annoying if you say things like, "I'm awfully sorry," because they feel you are wasting their time. It must seem to them that the British spend their whole time apologising. The French don't really make small talk either. Chatting to strangers, such as taxi drivers or shop assistants, especially politely, is seen as rather strange. And there is another interesting difference. People at dinner parties in France will expect to take part in a serious discussion. The guests are often asked their opinions on big issues. British people enjoy discussions about house prices and education. However, they are sometimes surprised if their guests want to talk about anything serious, such as politics or art.